Boy, do we have a lot to talk about. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing Thursday. Today's April 22nd, and yes, markets are nearly pushing all-time highs once again. And this is shortly following the news that it says, breaking, President Trump says that the U.S. has total control over the Strait of Hurmuz. But I thought last week it was called the Strait of Iran, just saying. And it is sealed up tight until Iran makes a deal. Iran has made it very clear that Iran said that it would not negotiate with the U.S. until the blockade ended. So this is what was expressed today by Trump. Markets, I guess, viewed it as a positive. I don't see how this is any form of a de-escalation. If anything, again, we're just really looking for one other reason for them to start attacking one another. Nonetheless, markets are irrational, but that's the least of my worries, right? Markets have been trading in a very irrational way. There is no break of pattern, no break of structure yet. We'll wait for the news on that. The big focus that everyone is talking about right now, the first thing that I want to highlight is car. We made a video about this stock just a few days ago, and it's because of the momentum that it really captured. It really bothered me when I learned that a lot of beginners are being encouraged to buy this pump and dump. You guys know that I always try to make content making beginners aware of the risk by partaking in these pump and dumps and how it's only a matter of time for them to start crashing and to possibly stay away. I think 1 or 2 days followed after, and then now in just, what is it? 48 hours? It hasn't even been 48 hours. From the highs of 847 to now the current lows of 263, it gets halted like every 5 minutes. It's down 40% on the day, 2 days in a row. It's down 68% since the highs that it made yesterday. Again, proving you need to completely stay away from BS companies. People were actually trying to argue that no, it's not a BS company. Again, you can just hop on to Investing Pro and quickly see. This is a company that loses $1 billion a year. It has a negative PE ratio. And when you look at the actual data, this is not a growing company. There is no reason fundamentally or technically that this stock should ever skyrocket 400% in a month. And all it literally took is just a minute of research, but you need to have the proper data to do so. I do want to let you guys know that if you do like having access to all of this fundamental analysis, this is on Investing Pro. And again, just a heads up, you don't have to, but there's an hour left from when you're seeing this video to take advantage of the 55% off discount for Investing Pro. That's the software that I'm using. Again, it's the first link in the description down below. You can claim the sale, and it literally breaks down to less than $9 a month. So again, a simple question to ask yourself, is it worth it, at least $9 a month, to be able to do a better and deeper analysis on the companies that you're thinking about trading and investing, hopefully saving you from investing in BS companies like Avis, because now you understand them fundamentally and not just technically. The other thing that I also want to highlight is Tesla. Tesla is free falling, or at least it was. It was down like 4 or 5% shortly after the market opened, from highs of 405 to now lows of 368. Again, Tesla is beginning to spiral based off of its backpedaling from its full self-driving, unsupervised target that it had in 2019. Fast forward 6 years later, we still do not have it. Now, the one thing that I did want to ask you guys, we don't have to, but I also wanted to make a video about what's being shared right now. Supposedly, the Trump administration is nearing a deal to rescue Spirit Airlines. I wanted to see if you guys would want me to dive deeper and to break down everything it is that is included in this deal. Remember, this company is, being asked asking for a $500 million loan from the Trump administration. The part that I really begin to question is, why is a company asking for a $500 million loan from the Trump administration that's going to be subsidized by us, right? The American taxpayer. But just a year or 2 years ago, the U.S. government blocked a deal between JetBlue and Spirit. It was going to be a merger. JetBlue was going to buy Spirit. Therefore, the U.S. government would not have to have gotten involved. But now they want to use tax-paying dollars to offer a bailout loan for a company. Again, you guys let me know if you guys would like me to make that video. All I ask you to do is drop a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know down in the comment section. With that being said, Again, friendly reminder, if you feel lost in this market because of everything that is that's going on, we do trade live every morning and we watch the market together as a team. If that's something that you want to experience to learn more about, second link in the description down below. You can join right now and start watching me trade live as soon as tomorrow. And remember, it is a one-time payment for lifetime access, but also don't forget, sign up for Investing Pro. You have an hour left to get and claim that sale. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.